Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Skincare and More with Chuchay. First of all, I would like to apologize for not being able to upload new videos for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, is it 2 weeks? Yeah, I think 2 weeks. I'm so sorry. I had been really busy with work and there were a lot of things that I had to take care of, and there were a lot of things that I had to do. That's why I didn't have the time to upload new videos. But for this week's video, I will be sharing with you my new beauty tools. I think the last video I made was about beauty tools that I use and my favorite beauty tools. But for this one, I will be unboxing a pair of new beauty tools with you. These are not new to the market. They have been out for a long time now. I think 1 year or 2 years ago. They had been out for a long time, but it's just really hard to get them here in Doha. I didn't know where to find them, so I had to get them from Dobie's collection. So my trusted skincare store, online store. So she found these for me. Well, not actually found these for me. I saw her online selling these, so I had to get them because I have been looking for them for a long time now. So these are the beauty tools from Face Factory. This is Korean brand, a Korean product. See, we all love Korean products. So I will be unboxing these with you, and later on when I use them and I try them, I will be sharing with you my experience. But for now, let's unbox these babies. Okay, so the first one is the Beauty Suction. I've heard a lot about this product. Some says it works, but some says it doesn't. So we will see. We can only judge based on our experience. So this is a Beauty Suction. Let me try to open this up.
This is in Korean, so I don't know. I don't know how to read Korean. So, but I think this is battery operated. So let's open this up. If I can open it. See, it's still sealed. That's what it looks like at the back. Oops. This is what it looks like. This is the device. I can get it out. Okay. Wait, so this is the device. Let's see if there's somewhere. Okay. So we have this. So this is the USB cable. And this, I don't know what this is. These are the different suction heads. Let's open them up one by one. And this is the device itself. It has, what's this one? Low, medium, and high. So this is the battery. And this one, you put it here to charge it. Okay, now let's try this one. Let's try to open this. Okay. Ha! So this is how it looks like. Okay, so that one, you have to change it with this one. Okay, this is the, I think, the filter. And these ones, these rubber bands. Try these ones. The rubber. Okay. It doesn't have a charge. So I will use this next time and see if it works for me.
So I can recommend it to you because I cannot recommend it right now because I have not used it yet. So let's open up the next one. This one is called the Skin Booster. Okay, so the Skin Booster. This is also from Face Factory. Also in Korean, so I don't understand. But let me open this.
Still sealed. Instruction. And it's all, this one comes with a USB charger as well. That's how it looks like. Whoa. So this is how it looks like. The Skin Booster. This is the power. I don't know what this one is, and I don't know what that one is. Let's see the instructions. It's in Korean. How? I don't understand. It's in Korean. So it has different modes. It says here. That's the only thing I can understand. Different modes. It has the, oh. Okay, so this one also has modes, and this one also has modes. The red mode, when you push this one, you have the red mode, the blue mode, and the green mode. And for this one, I think it says the LED something. This one. You also have the red plus IR. I'm not sure what that is. Blue and red and blue. I don't know. Okay, so I will try. Ooh, this is so cute.
I will try to look this up on the internet. Maybe they have an English version for the instructions on the website, and I will also be trying this out, and I will be updating you on the description below how it works and if it will do anything on my skin, because you know we love everything about skincare. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of my new tools, which I cannot try because they don't have batteries. So this is the beauty suction, and this is the, what's this one? Skin Booster. I am really sorry I couldn't try them on camera with you. Otherwise, our video will be so long, and I don't want to bore you with a really long video. So I will try it, and I will see what it does to my skin, and then I will update you on the comment section below, on the description box, if it worked for me, if it does anything to my skin. And if you do have this kinds of products, not necessarily the same brand, but if you do have them, please let me know your experience, and it will be really helpful for me and for people who will come across this video. But before I go, I would just like to say thank you to everyone who has been liking, who has been watching, who has subscribed, and who has been giving us some love and suggestions on which videos to do next. I know I have them on the list, but I will do them really soon. Just I just need more time. Okay, so also for those of you who are like me, who are just starting their channel, just keep on going. Don't be discouraged by people who are saying that it's not good enough, or for people who are not supporting you, not just in making YouTube contents, but also in other things, right? So for sure there will be people who don't like you, there will be people who don't think you're good enough, but don't let that distract you, or don't let that put you down. Okay, don't feel bad, right? Just take it as a challenge to yourself to do better. Anyway, people have different choices, people have different opinions, and all we could do is respect them. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.